This video shows how to buy shares of Barrett Business Services Inc., ticker BBSI. Barrett provides HR, staffing, and payroll services and trades on NASDAQ, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BBSI. Select the Barrett Business Services Inc. listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker to find the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right asset. Double-check the name, ticker BBSI, and the NASDAQ listing before moving on. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your BBSI position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description for eToro and further resources.